What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the critical numbers. So f of x is negative x cubed plus 6x squared plus 2, and we need to find out the critical numbers and also find out the local minimum and local maximum. You know, the critical numbers are the one that makes the f prime x equals to 0 or makes it undefined. If we find out the derivative of this function is going to be negative 3x squared plus 12x, we make it equal to 0. And in order to find out this, the roots, we're gonna factor 3x. It's gonna be negative x plus 4 equals to 0, and the roots is gonna be x equals to 0 and x equals to 4. So we have two critical points. Now what I can do, I need to figure out if they are local minimum or local maximum. What I can do, I'm gonna have table of values. You have 3x in here, and you have negative x plus 4, and here we have f prime. Roots are 0 and 4. We need to start from small to the big one, because here we have negative infinity, here we have positive infinity. Now we have three different regions. In each region we have specific sign of f prime. So we know when f prime is positive, function is increasing. When f prime is negative, function is decreasing. So here we have negative infinity to 0. We can assume a number here, let's say negative 1. From 0 to 4 we can assume 2, and from 4 to infinity we can assume 5. So when you sub it there, it's going to be negative. So you sub it here, is going to be positive. Negative times positive is going to be negative. When you sub it here, it's going to be positive. When you sub it here, it's going to be positive. Positive times positive is positive. And here, 5 times 3 positive. 5 negative 5 plus 4 is going to be negative. So positive times negative is going to be negative. So f prime is negative, positive, negative. It means that we're dealing with interval of decrease, interval of increase, and interval of decrease. So it means that at x equals to 0, we have local mean, and at x equals to 4, we have local maximum, because it's going up and then going down. So local minimum and local maximum. So these are the two critical points, and one of them is local minimum and local maximum. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.